Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Java Expert Tutorial. In my previous video, we discussed about inheritance in Java. In today's video, we will discuss about types of inheritance. So let's start with what are the types of inheritance. So guys, as you can see, there are 5 types of inheritance, but Java supports only 3 types of inheritance. Single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. Java does not support multiple and hybrid inheritance. So let's start with single inheritance. When a class extends another one class, only then we call it a single inheritance. So guys, as you can see in the image, there are 2 classes A and B class extends class A. That means B is a child class and A is a parent class. Here, single child class extends single parent class. So this is single inheritance. Okay. And so this is the syntax of single inheritance. Here as you can see, we define 2 classes, class A and B class extends class A. That means whatever method which is available in class A is automatically available in class B. Okay. Now let's see the example of single inheritance. So guys, this is the example of single inheritance. As you can see here, we define 2 classes, class A and class B, and B class extends class A. Okay. And inside class A, we define a method A. And inside the class B, we define a method class B. And B class extends class A. That means the method which is available in class A is automatically available in class B. That means B class contain 2 methods, method A and method B. Okay. Then inside the main method, we create the object of class B and calling the method A and method B. Okay. Now, when we run this code, the output will be like this. Okay. As you can see, both the methods execute. So this is single inheritance. Now next is multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, a derived class will be inheriting a base class, and as well as the derived class also act as the base class to other class. Okay. So guys, as you can see in the image, there are 3 classes A, B and C. B class extends class A. That means B is a child class and A is a parent class for B. And C class extends class B. That means C is a child class and B is a parent class for C. Okay. That means if you define a method inside A class is automatically available in class B. And if you define a method inside A class and B class is automatically available in class C. So this is multi-level inheritance. So this is the syntax of multi-level inheritance. Here we define 3 classes, class A, class B and class C. Class B extends class A and class C extends class B. That means whatever method available in class A is automatically available in class B, and whatever method available in class A and B is by default available in class C. So this is multi-level inheritance. Now let's see the practical example of multi-level inheritance. So guys, as you can see, this is the example of multi-level inheritance. Here we define 3 classes A1, B1 and C1. B1 extends class A1 and C1 extends class B1. And inside the class A1 we define method A1 and inside the class B1 we define a method B1, and inside the class C1 we define a method C1. Okay, but B1 extends A1. That means the method which is available in class A, it will automatically available in class B1, and whatever method available in class B1 is automatically available in class C1, and after that we create the object of class C1 and calling the method A1, method B1 and method C1. So the output will be like this when we run this code. As you can see, class A1 method, class B1 method, class C1 method. So this is multi-level inheritance. Okay. Now next is hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, one class serves as a superclass, or base class, or parent class, for more than one subclass or child class. As you can see in the image, there are three subclasses B, C and D, and a single parent class A. The child classes B, C and D extends parent class A. Okay, so this is hierarchical inheritance. So this is the syntax of hierarchical inheritance. Here we define four classes: class A, class B, class C and class D. Class B extends class A, class C extends class A, class D extends class A. That means whatever method available in class A, it will automatically available in class B and class C and class D. Okay. So this is hierarchical inheritance. Now let's see the practical example of hierarchical inheritance. So guys, as you can see, this is the example of hierarchical inheritance. Here we define four classes: A2, B2, C2, D2. Okay. And B2 class extends A2 class, C2 class extends A2 class, D2 class extends A2 class. Okay. That means the method which is available in class A2, it will automatically available in B2, C2 and D2. Okay. Now inside the main method we create the object of B2, C2 and D2 classes. And after that we call method A2. That means we call the parent class method. So let's see. As you can see, so the parent class method is available in all the child classes. So this is hierarchical inheritance. Now next is multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, one class can have more than one superclass. Java does not support multiple inheritance, but we can achieve multiple inheritance with the help of interface. So guys, as you can see in the image, there are two parent classes A and B, and here is a single child class C, and C class extends class A and class B. Okay, so this is multiple inheritance. Now next is hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is a mix of two or more of the above types of inheritance. Since Java does not support multiple inheritance with classes, the hybrid inheritance is also not possible with classes. So guys, as you can see in the image, the hybrid inheritance is a combination of hierarchical, as you can see this is represents hierarchical inheritance, and the half part representing the multiple inheritance, this one. Okay, so hybrid is a combination of two or more types of inheritance. Here you can see that hierarchical inheritance, and the next is multiple inheritance. Okay, so this is hybrid inheritance. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.